Building a base for your vegetables is the most important part of vegetable gardening. Vegetables need to feed on live matter, and so using a good compost or soil conditioner is the best way to get your vegetables started off on the right foot. They need something to feed on so that they can produce the best food. What people ask me a lot is, how do I get my tomatoes to ripen before the end of the year? I'm going to tell you a little secret. On September 1st, turn off your water. After that, you just watch your plants. If they start to wilt, then you water them. I can usually only water 4 more times before the end of the year. The only ones you really need to watch is if you have them in a container. They will need water more often in a container. If they're in the ground, the roots can go further down. What this has the plant do is it goes into survival mode and it wants to reproduce, so it ripens its fruit faster.